How to share your MyExamCloud AI Generated Exams to your students or friends. Hello there. By now, you have already created your own practice exam using the MyExamCloud AI Exam Generator. Congratulations! Now, you might be wondering how you can share this exam with your friends or students. Well, it's easy. Here's how. First, click on the MyExamCloud AI tab at the top of the page. This will take you MyExamCloud AI Exam Generator screen. From here, click on the Study Plans tab at the top or open the Manage Course tab and select Manage Study Plan from the left side navigation menu. This will show you a list of all the study plans you have created. Choose the study plan that you want to share and click on the Edit button. Next, you will see the options for your study plan. Look for the Who can access this study plan. Tick box and change it to the friendly, myself and my friends, option. Then, click Save. Now, you need to add your friends to the group so they can access your study plan. Click on the Group tab at the top or open the Manage Group tab and select Manage Users, from the left side navigation menu. Simply enter the email addresses of your friends and click Add User. This will give them access to your study plan. And that's it. Your friends now have access to your practice exam and can start studying together with you. See how easy it is to share your MyExamCloud AI Generated Exams. So, what are you waiting for? Share your exams now and study together with your friends to ace your upcoming tests and exams. Happy studying!